Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my custom bike. Yeah. Okay, basically my bike is like really dirty right now because I've been riding and doing stuff on it. First I have my KHE Plumber complex seat. Yeah, it's got a, I think it's 3 or 4 inch seat post. I have DMR wind bars. They're with Demolition Rob Wise grips. The grips are really nice. You can, yeah, they're like really grippy. At the moment, that's all I have custom on my bike. Apart from that little valve cap there, I'm going to be getting a new sprocket and new cranks. I have my snafu pedals upstairs, which I will show you in a minute, and the various monster sticker. Okay, maybe it's a bit more than various, but there's a lot. So yeah, that's my bike at the moment. And these are my snafu pedals. Yeah, they cost, don't know how much they cost, but yeah, it's them. I haven't put them on my bike yet. And also here I have my With the People pads. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching my bike check, and I'll see you later.